Lewis, if we get the ladies to watch all the kids, the three of us could go play miniature golf. Does Adrian have to work every weekend? Both days?
Yeah. Today she didn't go until like 2 though, but she'll get off at like 7 or 8 or 9. So still get to play a little bit.
It's good if she cuts a little early, but
look, we can like there's. Like, you gotta sit. Say choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Are you doing video while we're talking?
Yeah, always. That's the fun part. No, I like the stuff that gets caught on video is funny. And
Sure is.
And I put all their videos since they were born on YouTube. So they've each got like 400 videos. So watch what you say. So anyway, so you were cheating on your old lady and what? Documented.
I own you.
Yeah. That means you make deposits in my Dropbox in my house, everything.
Yeah, if they let us do tickets, I'm not gonna pay a bunch of money to be out there for